everyone, my name is Nuranti Azhara. I come from Sambas, West Kalimantan. Here, I will tell you about my hometown and what is there. Sambas is a city located in the province of West Kalimantan. The weather there is very hot because it is close to the equator, so it is still very hot. The city of Sambas was once a royal at the south and the exit of the Sambas River, and until now the palace still stands and controls the Sambas River and is used as a resting place visited by tourists. Culture. Sambas is famous for a historical heritage named a palace relic of the Sambas Sultan. The majority of the population is Malay and speak Malay. Malay is very easy to understand, especially for people who have heard of Betawi, because Betawi and Malay are more or less the same. For example, someone say, "Where do you want to go?" If in Malay, "You want to go where?" The mention of "I" in Malay will the language of the Sambas tribal sound "I", like the sound in the word catfish. First, I will tell you about the in Sambas, West Kalimantan, one of which is eating saprahan. According to local people, believe this traditional has the meaning of high manner of together, containing the spirit of sitting as low as standing tall. Eating saprahan means spit out, namely the culture of eating together by lesehan or sitting cross-legged in group in a row. Usually a group of 6 people sitting opposite each other as a sig of together. Traditional clothing. Here, there is a traditional clothing, namely talok belanga. This clothing is usually worn on various events such as wedding. These clothes are made of satin and the most common color worn is golden yellow. And here, there are also several kinds of traditional clothes in West Kalimantan which are used by the Chinese, Dayak, and Malay tribals. Next, Tanda Sambas dance is a social dance whose function is a entertainment with spontaneous and simple movements and accompanied by simple music. Only using a pitch of board or an imported pitch of bamboo can make a sound. This dance was original only performed by men in parades with men. By lifting the left two shoulder heights with simple steps and movements that are carried out alternately. However, along with the development of the time, women also participate in dancing tanda sambas and led to dance collaboration in parades. It can be danced by men with men, woman with woman, and men with woman. Traditional food. In my area, There are also many kinds of typical culinary food, one of which is bubur pedas. Bubur pedas is a food made from vegetable, sweet potato, bean, sprouts, calcium, then topped with nuts and anchovies. What makes bubur pedas very special is special seasoning made by roasting. Not only bubur pedas, choy pan is a typical Chinese food. Choy pan is made from starch which is then filled with vegetable such as bamboo shoots, chives, and yam. Cincalo is also a typical Sambas food that has a sour, salty, and spicy taste. Derived from rebone chips that are cleaned, then fermented using salt and sugar. When the fermentation process is done perfectly, the taste of cincalo will be dominantly salty and savory. Tourism destination. If you have the opportunity to visit my area, Temajuk Beach is a much visit place. The beach is still very natural with stretch of beach sand and rocks. The water is so clear that we can see the rocks without having to dive. And don't be surprised if we find underwater animals such as squid, shrimp, crab, and colorful fish that move freely. Temajuk Beach looks more exotic and amazing at dusk. The sunset view of Temajuk Beach will make our soul feel calm. Okay, okay everyone. Thank you for watching. See you.